Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Grow with Arnam, and this is Arnam with Nani, and we are doing the C language. Today we will be discussing the operators. An operators is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical functions. There are six types of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and miscellaneous operators. Arithmetic operators. The plus adds the two operands, minus subtracts the second operand from first. Star multiplies both operands. Slash divides numerator by denominator. Percentage modulus operator and remainder of after an integer division. Plus plus increment operator increases the integer value by 1. Minus minus decrement operator decreases the integer value by 1. As you can see in the example given in the right side, for addition we have written a plus b. For subtraction we have written a minus b. For multiplication we have written a star b. For quotient we have written a slash b, and for remainder we have written a modulus b. And for the increment operator we have written plus plus a. The output of addition is 21, subtraction 13, multiplication 68, quotient is 4, and remainder is 1. And after the increment a becomes 18. Relational operator. Equal equals checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Not equal to or exclamation equal to checks if the values of the two operands are equal or not. If no, then the condition becomes true. Greater than, the value of the left operand is greater than the value of right operand. Less than, the value of the left operand is less than the value of the right operand. Greater than equal to, the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of the right operand. Smaller than equal to, the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. In the right hand side you can see the example. We have put on the conditional statement. If a is greater than b, then the print statement a is greater than b. If a equals b, means print a is equal to b. If a is not equal to b, or a colon exclamation equals b, prints a is not equal to b. The output for a equals to and b equals 4 is a is greater than b and a is not equal to b. Logical operators. And the logical and gives if both the operands are non-zero, then condition becomes true. Logical operator, if any of the two operands is non-zero, then condition becomes true. Logical not, it is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. Note that true is 1 and false is 0. Short circuit in case of AND. If there is a condition anywhere in expression that returns false, the rest of the condition after that will not be evaluated. Short circuit in case of OR. If there is a condition anywhere in the expression that returns true, the rest of the condition after that will not be evaluated. Bitwise operator. AND bitwise operator, binary AND. It copies a bit to the result if it exists in both operands. Or binary or bitwise. Binary OR. It copies a bit if it exists in either operands. Binary XOR. It copies the bit if it is set in only one operand. Binary ones complement. It has the effect of flipping the bits. Binary left shift. The value is moved left by the number of bits specified by right operand. Binary right shift. The left operand value is moved right by the number of bits specified. As we can see in the truth table, for 4 values of p and q 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. For p and q, uh, for only one of value of p and q, we get the result 1, and all the other to be 0. For p or q, we get the result 0 for only p and q 0, and or else other are 1. For p or b, for p or q, we get the output 1 when either of the operands are 1, or else we get 0. In bitwise left right shift, the trailing and leading positions are filled with 0. Left shifting is equivalent to multiplication by 2 की power second right operand. Right shifting is equivalent to division by second right operand. Assignment operators. Assignment operator assigns value from right to left operand. Plus equals to add an assignment operand. It adds right operands and assign to left operand. Subtract an assignment operator. It subtracts the right operand and assign to left operand. Multiply equal to multiply an assignment operator. It multiplies the right operand and assign to left. Divide an assignment operator. It divides the left operand with the right operand and assign to left operand. Modulus and assignment operator. It takes modulus using two operands and assigns the result to left operand. Left shift and right shift assignment operator. Right shift and assignment operator. Bitwise and assignment operator. Bitwise XOR and assignment operator. Bitwise OR and assignment operator. Miscellaneous operator. Sizeof bracket returns the size of a variable and returns the address of a variable. Star pointer to a variable. Question mark colon conditional expression. Sizeof operator. Sizeof operator computes the size of the variable or can be said byte. It is a unary operator. For float values used like this, that is 10.2f. Otherwise it will be treated as double 10.2 or used typecasting for float and double. For character data type, that is char value, use typecasting or directly use data type or variable. Operands can be variable, constant, data type. Typecasting. It refers to changing a variable of one data type into another. The compiler will automatically change one type of data type into another if it makes sense. Types of typecasting. Implicit typecasting. When the type conversion is performed automatically by the compiler without programmer's intervention, such type of conversion is known as implicit type conversion or type promotion. Example is int x for x equals 97 and x is smaller than equals to 122 x plus plus. The line prints %c comma x. For another type is explicit type. The type conversion performed by the programmer by posing the data type of expression of specific type is known as explicit type conversion. Int x for x equals 97 to x is smaller than equals to 122 x plus plus. The line prints %c comma character of x. Operator precedence. Operator precedence determines in an expression itself and decides how an expression is evaluated. The precedence is followed by from highest to lowest and the associativity varies. First is parenthesis to function call array subscript dot arrow. These all are from left to right. Logical not, ones complement, unary minus, increment, decrement, address of, indirection, cast, size of, right to left. With the precedence 13. Multiplication, division, modulus, left to right with the precedence 12. Addition and subtraction left to right with precedence 11. Left shift and right shift, left to right associativity, and precedence is at 10. Less than, less than or equal to, greater than equal to is left to right, and the precedence is 9. Equal to, not equal to, left to right, and precedence is 8. Bitwise and left to right, precedence is 7. Bitwise XOR left to right, and precedence is 6. Bitwise OR is left to right, the precedence is 5. Logical AND left to right, precedence is 4. Logical OR left to right, precedence is 3. Conditional right to left, precedence is 2. Assignment operators right to left, precedence is 1, and the lowest precedence is with the comma, and the associativity is from left to right. This associativity is used when the expression has the operations with same precedence. Then the associativity rule is used. Thank you for your attention, and the notes and the PPTs will be available in the drive link available in the description box.